Good morning, students. I'm back again with another lesson, that is Bholi of class 10th. Now today again I will be discussing about the poetic devices as promised to you in my previous video. See, in this story, the writer has used many poetic devices to make it more beautiful. That is simile, metaphor, irony, transferred epithet, imagery, etc. Now, I had already taught you about simile, metaphor, what is the difference between these two, and epithet, transferred epithet, repetition, imagery. Now, imagery is also used where the writer is portraying a scene which you can imagine. You see, you must understand the difference. Only then you will be able to understand the difference. Or suppose in the board exams, the 4 options are given. Now you have to choose. Until unless you know the difference, you will not be able to give the right answer. हाँ, तुक्का चल जाता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Understand? So you should be careful. And I'm going off now, and I'll be sharing the screen so that I can teach you exactly or tell you exactly where the simile has been used, where the metaphor has been used, what is the irony over there, and then imagery, etc. So let's come on the screen. Okay. Yes, students, I have come back. Now I'm sharing the screen for the lesson number 7, that is Bholi. Now in this chapter, actually the writer has used mainly 4 kind of poetic devices, that is simile, transferred epithet, metaphor, and chromamorphism. These are the 4 mainly used in this lesson. So let us start with that. Now the examples and even the rhetorical question is also there. Irony is also there. Now if girls go to school, who will marry them? This is a rhetorical question which he has used. Only then did she begin to believe that she was being taken to a place better than her home. Now this is irony. You understand irony? I had already taught you. Now, then comes simile, as discussed in my previous videos also, like where the comparison is done between two things. That is, and we by using the word like or as is called simile. Like the horse, like the goat, like the parrots, like their Lakshmi, that is the cow, like a dumb cow, like a streak of lightning. So these are all simile. Now comes transferred epithet. Helpless, flood. Triumphant, smile. Cold, contempt. Smiling, eyes. Bholi felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing and the trees in front of the schoolhouse had blossomed into big red flowers. Now this is imagery. Imagery where you imagine something, some picture, which the writer is trying to portray. Then comes heartless creature. Metaphor. Ramlal stood rooted to the ground. Chromamorphism. Light of a deep satisfaction that an artist feels when contemplating the completion of her masterpiece. This is called metaphor. I hope you understand. I think it's better that you try to revise more on the poetic devices so that you should know what is the difference between simile or metaphor, what is the difference between epithet and transferred epithet, like that. Only then you can understand all these things. Anyway, if you like the video, please subscribe, share and like. And secondly, wait for my next video on poetic devices, of course. Thank you.